What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Matt. I own a laser engraving and embroidery and printing company, and I do it out of my garage. 24 by 24 foot area. Not huge, but it works. Am I stacked on top of everything? Absolutely. But this video is to help you get the Smart Stitch and other embroiderers machines faster. Change out fast. So how can we go from doing hats to flats within minutes? Yeah, I would say a minute or 2 minutes. I got something here. Oh, I got that from the corner, a little big, you know, right here. Yeah. That's all right. Shh. Don't say nothing. It's a little big. We're gonna switch these out. You're gonna see how fast this is. All right, all joking aside. So this is what it is. I have one open here. These little guys. There's a link in the description. Go down to the description where it says more, and I'll have the link on the top. And if you want an embroidery machine, that link's in there too, and my lasers, and anything else I have that I can put a link in. So how this works is, you know how you have to take an Allen wrench, and you have to go in and loosen up all the fingers. Let me show you. So you'd go in, and you'd have to go and loosen this up, la-di-da-da. It'd take forever. It does. It takes forever. It's not fun whatsoever. This thing right here, I did it to the double head already. It's phenomenal. Chef kiss. So this thing right here, let's imagine this is screwed into it, and you're gonna lift up and turn, and then bloop, lift up, turn. You're gonna get to the right height. Once it's in the right height, your stuff slides off and on, and all you do is do a little quarter turn, and it's done. No more Allen wrenches. Say goodbye. You ain't needing it no more. Dude, it's a freaking game changer. It's unreal. So, I already did it to this one, and it's awesome. You can see down there, I have them in there. I have them in the hat one. It's so worth it. The only one, now I'm actually thinking about it, the only one is the 10 needle. I don't know if it'd work. We're going to find out in this video because I have this one to do and that one yet. 15 needle and the 10 needle to do. The 10 needle, why I'm saying I don't think it's going to work is these switch. I'll show you in a minute here. So let me start with that one and let's see how it does. Alright, so we're going to take this one off. I'm pretty sure this isn't going to work. Because, I'll show you. Now I want you to make a note right now. This is sitting on top of this plate. And the other one's on the bottom. So that's why I don't think it'll work. So now we're going to take the flat one. This is why it won't work. This one here goes underneath here. So, shoot, it won't work. So the 10 needle, it won't work. But the 15 needle, 12 needle, and the 2 head, it should. So I'll switch over the 15 needle. I'm going to do it to this one, I'm going to show you. Because this one, this hat goes off the top just like this does. So, dang Allen wrenches. Thing of the past. So you're going to take these off, save them, in case one day you have an employee that you want to piss off and put them back in there. I probably shouldn't do that, it'll hurt your wallet. So you take these and put these in. So these will be pretty easy because we can tighten them right up right away. Or snug them. So then tight would go that way, So what I want to do is pull out and go like a 45 like this. So when I put it in there, boom, tight. And that'd be loose. Same thing with this. Alright. See how this works. Boom! Just like that. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I'm going to take these and we'll put them somewhere safe. Psst. Well, I got to do the other one. So I'm going to do the same thing to this side. And while I'm doing this, I might as well tell you that today's sponsor is me. So you guys, everyone, I get comments all the time that, can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? Hey, can you give me like an hour? Dude, if you want an hour one-on-one, in the description, there is a Patreon link. You can go in there and you can set up a time with me and I can give you an hour. Dude, it's simple. Like, come on. You got a $6 one that you can do the lives, and we do one live a month, and honestly, it's a blast. I learn a lot from it, and others learn from me. I help them as much as I can, but then I'm learning from them. I've actually got a handful of people that probably, well, I got a couple for sure that surpassed me, which is amazing, and I'm glad. They're learning from everyone else. I'm learning from everyone else. They're learning from me, so forth. So if you want to do it, link in the description, $6 a month on the Patreon. See you there. The lives are in the middle of the month. I like Wednesdays, but my wife kind of fits it in our schedule. So 8 o'clock Central Time. All right, so this is all in. And for the hat one, I have to replace these two. So I'm going to do that also, right? Meow. Go get them. So as far as the 10 needle goes, I'll be playing around with it. I'll figure something out. So for now, 10 needle people, sorry. You're going to have to just chill. Chill and wait. Give me some time. So same thing, we're going to screw it in. Look at the thickness of this bar right here where this goes into, and have it about that, and then you're going to make the adjustments when the time comes. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Take this, I know my arm's blocking you, I'm sorry. I've also got a deadline on stuff, so gotta be in a little hurry today. There we go. So now these two are on, ready to go, and we're going to set that down here. Put those bolts with the other one, and that's it, you guys. That's how simple this is. There you have it. Some simple, quick tricks that make your life just way easier. I'm telling you, it's a lot faster. When I figured that out, one of the guys actually in the Patreon that does the live, he's the one, you know, we talked about this and went through it. Alex is his name, and we're like, God, this has to be a better way. And it was a couple weeks later, he came up with it, found it. So thank you to him, because these things are game changer. Not lying. They used to take me about 15, 20 minutes. I'd say 20 minutes to a half hour. It probably got faster towards the end, but now it's just a quick turn, pull out, put it down there, put it back in, turn it tight, off and running. So now it's not the end of the world to switch from hats to flats on the dual head. And it makes the other ones faster. Now the 10 needle, not so much. I will figure something out with that. I got a couple ideas, but I'd have to make plates. And then if I made plates, I'd have to sell it to you guys. So I'd have to see how much the plates would make or cost and blah, blah, blah. But I have an idea. Otherwise, I'm going to try 2 different ways. Let's see what works the best, and I'll let you know. If I come up with something, cool. If I don't, sorry, 10 needles, it just won't work. It's a bummer, because that one actually takes the longest to do, because the hat assembly is actually kind of a pain in the butt. Yeah, if you ask me. But simple little trick. Hope it helps you guys, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Glad you guys see me again. Bye.